All right, environmental science unboxing. Got our box here. It got a little crushed.
All right, so we're gonna unbox something super, super special today, and we're gonna try it.
I'm just gonna get everything out first. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Seaweed. I knew it was gonna be seaweed. I called it when she said it could break.
Is it seaweed? Okay, I hate seaweed. I think it's so gross.
Is seaweed. Premium seaweed winter harvest, which I like seaweed.
Okay. Insects.
Insects though? That's questionable. That's super questionable. All right, I'll eat like 3.
Ew. Those are bugs. I do.
Oh, my nerves. What?
A single pretzel.
I don't know. It's
oh,
a
I thought it was a pretzel.
You want me to eat insects? That's the first one, and also seaweed.
No, they're just raw insects, dude. Oh, is it alive? Oh no, they're not alive.
I don't even know what kind of bug that is, but they kind of look like brownie bites, and that's kind of gross.
Oh, it says use discretion when giving to young family members. You think it's gonna be spicy?
No,
She's fine. She likes spicy stuff.
It's not weird to eat.
Okay.
Just take a bite. I wouldn't eat that much. Unless... Oh.
Not bad.
Very
healthy for you.
These are great with rice. I'll have them. We have rice. You grab like a piece of hot rice and you eat it. This is great. I eat these all the time. I'll take.
Never again.
That's weird. It's not as bad as I remember it. Okay.
Tastes like paper.
Doesn't really taste like anything.
Ugh, no, it's not good.
Oh my god, is this a centipede?
Ew. Should I just do it? I was gonna do it.
Ew.
Fine. I'm just gonna take a little bite.
There you go. There you go.
They're so salty, it's ridiculous. Oh.
No.
That's actually pretty good. Yeah, it was actually good. Falls right out.
Where did it go?
Okay, it's not that bad.
Marshall, sit. Do you want the larva? He approves.
They're alive.
It's actually really good. I like it. If people freak out, I don't know why.
Oh,
Oh, that one tastes good.
Yes.
Never mind.
fishy. Kind of salty, not bad.
My final verdict is that the seaweed was good. The bugs weren't that good. I wouldn't go out and buy these, but if that's all that's left in the future, I think I'd survive.
This is not torturous at all, and I like it. I like it. I would do it again. So, yeah.
I think the insects are better. Wow.